Okay, hi again. So now we're going to do a little bit of math. So you want to grab a calculator, and also you're going to need 3 of these papers here. We're going to do 3 different examples. Each person that we're going to explore their paycheck is going to be making minimum wage in 2018, so $10.50 per hour, and they're just going to be working different numbers of hours, so we can kind of see a comparison for how much taxes are taken out based on your gross pay. So again, get 3 of these pieces of paper and also a calculator. Our first person that we're going to look at is going to be somebody who works 9 hours a week for 50 weeks, and that means they're going to be working 450 hours a year, because 9 times 50 equals 450. I'll walk through this one with you, this example with you, and then you're going to do the second and the third on your own. The second example, you're going to have somebody who works 23 and a half hours every week for 50 weeks, so their total hours are 1,175. And then on your third paper, you're going to have somebody who works 36 hours a week for 50 weeks for a total of 1,800 hours per year. So you can copy these down on your 3 sheets, and then I'm going to walk through how to do this first one with you. Also, I apologize for like the weird writing here. I wrote in pink, and you could hardly see it. I had to go over to black, so now it looks like 3D, but I'm sure you guys will be fine. Okay, so we're going to start by filling in what I said. This would be like example 1. This person worked 9 hours a week for 50 weeks, and that equaled a total of 450 hours per year. Now, I know that there are 52 weeks in a year, but we're going to say this person, all of these people, took 2 weeks of vacation time every year, so they actually got paid only for 50 weeks. Okay, so if we take this 450 hours that they worked per year and we multiply it by their minimum wage, which is $10.50, we can find out how much they made in the entire year. So you just use your calculator and you find out that they made $4,725. And is that going to be gross pay or is that going to be net pay? Remember, gross is before taxes or insurance are taken out. Net is after taxes and insurance are taken out. Hopefully you circled gross, because that is the right answer. Okay, so then we're going to go ahead back to this tax rate, and we're going to look at the federal taxes. So this person made $4,000, and so they are in row 1 because their taxable income falls between this 0 and $9,275. So their tax is going to be 10% of their income. We're going to put that information in here. They were in row 1, and so their tax rate is 10%. So to find out how much they owe in federal taxes, we would take their gross pay, which was $4,725, and we'll multiply that by the 10% to find out how much they owe in federal taxes. Remember, when you multiply by 10%, that's like multiplying by 0.10 or 0.1. So do that in your calculator, and you should end up with in your head, and you should end up with $472.50. So that's what's going to come out of their gross pay to pay their federal taxes. Okay, the next video, we're going to go over state taxes and FICA.